case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1995, the United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit heard the case of Edwards v. Honeywell, Inc. The lawsuit stemmed from an incident where a fireman died on duty while attending to a fire at a home with a Honeywell alarm system. The system had been installed in 1982, but failed to notify the fire department when the fire broke out in 1988. The widow of the deceased fireman sued Honeywell, claiming the company was negligent in not verifying and updating the fire department's information. However, the district court granted summary judgment in favor of Honeywell, stating that under Indiana's common law, the company owed no duty of care to the fireman. The concept of duty in tort law was central to the case. Upon appeal, the court decided that Honeywell's duty of care did not extend to firefighters responding to fires caused by the failure of their alarm systems. Consequently, the court affirmed the dismissal of the suit. The case emphasized the limitations in tort liability for individuals and public service providers in situations involving unforeseen victims.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.